The top 0.0% of adult creators are using GPTs, and here's why. Creators have multiple personas. Sometimes we're vanilla, sometimes we're dominant, and your AI assistant GPTease understands that. GPTease allows you to upload photo content and will help you create the perfect Instagram or social media caption to drive follower growth and engagement on your social posts without losing your voice. But it doesn't stop at socials. GPTease can write explicit post captions for your fan sites that convert to sales on your feed posts or locked PPVs. Maybe you're even considering branching out and expanding into a new market. GPTs can translate your content into other languages, helping you connect with fans around the world. Stuck with the dick rating? Just tell GPTs what you're working with and let it be over. We all know how hard it can be to keep those creative. Not sure what to reply to a fan in DMs? Maybe you're wondering how to guide the conversation towards a sale or revive a dead chat. GPTease always knows exactly what to say, and that is exactly how top creators make sure they're not leaving money on the table, or should I say, in the DMs. Scripting explicit videos can be really hard even for the most experienced performers. We always run out of things to say sometimes, but you have endless inspiration when you have GPTs. And speaking of endless inspiration, you can use GPTs to plan your content calendar as well as every other aspect that goes into your business. For example, when it comes to making data-driven decisions, you can go ahead and turn on GPTs' Search the Web feature, and it can pull insights on what's currently trending and getting the most views online, so that you can create something to capture the trend and cash in. GPTease is your AI assistant, a true extension of you as a creator, so you can get back to doing what you do best, creating content and making money. Made for adult creators, buy one. Try it completely free today at gptease.ai.